Yo,
Yo,
what's up?
Okay, so today, this lovely day. Oh my god, this beautiful weather, bright, sunny day, and now we are in Ubud Center.
We're gonna show you a little bit around. Long time we didn't record in Ubud Center, so stay tuned. Hopefully something changed for better. Alright, so it seems like it's actually quite busy today, especially to compare to the last time where we are here. Definitely much busier than last time. Definitely. This is the Ubud King Palace, by the way, and this is the Ubud Center. Even so many cars parked behind.
So guys, this is a very good sign, you know, like domestic tourists nowadays, quite many, like what Damian said, and we see that traffic in the Ubud Center. So yeah, let's walk in Ubud traditional market and see how it is Ubud traditional market nowadays. Okay, so many of you asking is there any public transportation in Bali? So this one, the black bus, is called Trans Metro Dewata, is I think a new public transport in Bali, and yeah, you can have it for the cheap price. This will go to, you know, like Denpasar, and then they go to Monkey Forest area. So yeah, let's see.
Seems like many domestic tourists coming to Bali, to Ubud nowadays, as you can see right now, and over there also. So that's the really positive sign. And definitely street of Ubud like this, I don't remember the streets busy like this already for ages. So very positive view today, and we will see how it looks a little bit inside the market, which is over here, famous art market in Ubud. Okay, starting from here, you get beautiful, nice. Here you can buy quite colorful, many beautiful things here, bags, sandals, whatever you like, and even tourists walking around, so it's really not so bad.
Yeah, so the sellers already call you, come here, buy something. It's very good sign, you know.
Exactly. We're gonna keep a little bit of the natural light. How does it sound and looks like? Yo, what's up? So there are some beautiful paintings, local artists from Ubud. This alley is more quiet here, but still very beautiful. So many interesting stuff. You can have a bottle opener here also if you're interested. And here are so many paintings.
Seems like, you know, almost all the shops in the Ubud traditional market is open if we compare with the, you know, the previous one. And then when, you know, domestic tourists nowadays coming to Bali, and yeah, I hope that, you know, like the economy will going better and better. So happy to, you know, to see that actually.
Hopefully. Here we go. Here is the lunch time, and we have a Sate Solur. Check this out. Hello. Sate. Sate babi. Beautiful stuff. And not. Hello. Beautiful stuff everywhere. As you see, you can comment below what would you like to buy from here. Hello. I believe some of you will buy everything here, isn't it? And here we go. Here is some local guest house also inside. Maybe I will get a quick look, little bit slightly inside. Beautiful Balinese architecture here, as you could see. The name like this. And here we go. This is the classic Honda Monkey. Really, the name is Honda Monkeys. So this is the Jalan Devi Sita, and as you see, really definitely much more alive than last time.
Okay, so there is the famous Ubud, what is it, soccer field in the center. People are doing sport, and seems like their life is already back to normal, something like, yeah, everything is normal.
Seems like it's definitely much more alive than last time. Alright, we are already on the Jalan Monkey Forest, and seems like it's definitely much more alive than I was last time in Ubud. That's definitely. And yeah.
Yeah, and then even before I saw one big bus with the tourists, I think that local domestic tourists, and yeah, I can say that like the business, the economy will grow slowly, going better and better. And then the shops, like open. And yeah.
Yeah, at least for now it looks like this. Hopefully it's gonna continue and will be better and better. Always positive vibes, right?
Yeah. So like before I saw that many private cars also with the registration plate L, D, B, that obviously that's not coming from Bali. So
Yeah,
I think that mostly also domestic tourists come here by their private cars.
This construction actually is the same when I was last time. Bamboo construction. Something new is coming to the town, but I'm not sure what. Very loud bikes, even in Ubud. That's how it looks, the currently situation in Ubud monkey forest today. Not so bad, really not so bad at all.
Okay, as we see that, like the restaurant is open, art shop is open, but just like this, the tourist service, like who's selling tours, service like, ticket or something still closed. So I think that nowadays the tourists can come by themselves, right? Using the Google Map or something like that. Okay, just like this one, for example, the art shop is open. And yeah, like the iconic Ubud selling the art shop, bintang shirt or any other, souvenirs. But seems like the tourists, like I showed before, the tourist service still closed. Okay, so right behind me, guys, so this one is the famous Arjuna lane. So this famous for the, like homestays, bungalows, and like many local small business. So yeah, let's see then how it is inside. Maybe most of you who used to live, who used to go to Ubud, maybe, used to live around this area. So let's see how it is.
Shops and any other businesses unfortunately seems close to compare to the main street and the art market, which is sad. But it's definitely some improvements on the way. That's definitely, but deep inside still very quiet. Bollywood cuisine for every Indian mates. Open. But grandpa here, I had a coffee last time. That was actually a few months ago was open, but seems like now they are closed, unfortunately. And yeah, we are heading actually to the King Palace area center over there, where we start our vlog. And one more time, nothing has changed about the masks, unfortunately, but that's a real thing.
Okay, so behind me is the Ubud traditional market, and you see, like, I don't know why, I'm so happy to see that many tourists nowadays already coming to Bali. And I know that we are making vlog in Ubud, maybe repeat it and again and again. And if you think that our video is boring because we repeat it, this is how our daily videos, like, for those who cannot come to Bali, so this is your daily dose.
And here we go, this is the money jungle guy.
Behind me, this is the palace, and this is the famous king chair. Wow.
Looks pretty nice, isn't it? Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the King Palace in Ubud.
All right, guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. This is how it is.
This is how it is nowadays in Bali, in Ubud. Getting better, slowly. We will see what's next week's month's gonna bring to us, to Bali. We will inform you as always every single day. You never know what's gonna be tomorrow, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.